Ta-da-ta-ta. Thank you, Lord. We're alive. Thank you, thank you. Ayan, this is Imbudia. Ah? Saan? Tutu? Sino? Bakit daw?
Nandito na tayo sa
Sabi niya talaga ba? Let's go. So, the fasten seatbelt has been switched off. Alright guys, we are here. Ay, wala na ba ibang bag? Okay, we have reached after 30 minutes maybe, roughly 30 minutes. Oh my god. Business class passengers, you mean now?
Oh, disembark.
Disembark. Persons with disability, please stay. Our crew will be happy to assist you. Naano this guy biyahe?
Memorize na.
Oh my god. Nice job, Rim. I didn't realize you broke some stuff.
Sorry, kuya.
Ayun na sida ate. Wait.
Uy!
Visit ka!
Wala kang dala? Oh, bakit no? Ikaw dala.
Surfing USA?
Pang surfboard.
Hindi pa na-complete. Surfboard? Incomplete surfboard.
Ay, asante.
Okay, tari.
Ay. Oh my god! Mambo, how are you? You enjoy? Oh my god! What is that? Crabs! Hey guys, we're here already. We've reached. Oh my god. Okay. See, the ocean is so beautiful. It's so blue. That's why we keep. I don't know how many times I've been here already. It's just amazing. Now we're gonna find some banda. By the way, we're the first one to be here. We are the first one to be here. Too bad because I asked for our photographer to come, but he is fully booked. So now we're just gonna settle here and yung pizza sa kabilang bahay. Doon din.
Ay, kabilang bahay din.
Oo, palihog ko dala Ben.
Surfboard ng bata. Surfboard ng bata.
Alright. Higa-higaan? Something. Parang picnic time.
Itong mga to, hindi naman tayo makapunta rito.
Yeah. We can also sit here. This is the place. These are my friends. There you go. Ang saya-saya. I'm hunger. Hunger.
Takot ka pala eh.
So see the ocean. Thor! Come! Ang saya guys.
Pupunin pa sa akin eh.
Si Thor, oy.
May kape kayo dala?
Don't let her go.
Kape ya?
Chocolate.
Without the...
Yeah.
Ayan na. Sige pa, ilublog mo pa sa ano.